Are you making these common mistakes with your cat? Welcome to a journey of enlightenment, a journey that will transform your understanding of feline companionship. We're about to explore some common pitfalls cat owners often stumble upon, unknowingly jeopardizing their furry friends' well-being. This video is your guide to a happier, healthier life for your cat. So, let's get started. Stay tuned as we delve into these common cat care errors and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, overfeeding. It seems like a way to show affection, but a common misconception among cat owners is that food equals love. In reality, overfeeding your cat can lead to a myriad of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's not about withholding love and affection, rather, it's about expressing it in a way that promotes your cat's overall health and longevity. Determining the right amount of food for your cat can be a bit tricky, as it depends on a variety of factors such as age, size, activity level, and even breed. A sprightly kitten, for instance, will require more calories than a senior cat that prefers lounging in the sun to chasing after toys. A general guideline is to feed an adult cat around 20 calories per pound of body weight for maintenance. However, this can vary, so it's always best to consult with a vet or a pet nutritionist to establish the optimal diet for your particular feline. Now let's talk about some useful tips to avoid overfeeding. First, consider using a measuring cup to portion out your cat's meals. This can help ensure you're not overestimating the amount of food they need. Second, try to stick to a feeding schedule. Cats thrive on routine, and having set meal times can prevent overeating. It's also a good idea to divide their daily food intake into multiple smaller meals throughout the day. Third, don't rely solely on dry food. While it can be convenient, dry food is often higher in calories and carbohydrates compared to wet food. Incorporating wet food into your cat's diet can help them feel fuller and more satisfied, reducing the chance of overeating. Lastly, remember to account for treats in your cat's daily calorie intake. Treats should make up no more than 10% of their diet. Overfeeding might seem like a minor issue, but it can have major implications on your cat's health and happiness. By being mindful of their diet and feeding habits, you can help ensure they live a long, healthy, and happy life. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to feeding your feline friend. Mistake number 2, neglecting regular vet checkups. You might think, my cat seems healthy, why bother? But let's delve a little deeper into this. Regular vet checkups are akin to us going for our routine health checkups. Just as we can't always tell if something is off with our health, we can't always tell with our feline friends either. They are masters of masking discomfort or pain, making it difficult for us to detect any underlying health issues. Disease prevention is a significant aspect of these regular vet visits. Vaccinations, for instance, are a crucial part of preventative care, protecting your cat from a variety of diseases. Routine blood work can also help detect early signs of conditions such as kidney disease or diabetes, which are common in cats but often go unnoticed until they become severe. Now, we understand that vet visits can be stressful for your cat. So how can we make it less so? Start by getting them used to their carrier. Make it a safe, comfortable space by adding blankets and toys. You can also use calming sprays or diffusers to reduce anxiety. Remember, the goal is to make these visits as routine as possible, so don't just bring out the carrier when it's time for a checkup. Let your cat explore it at their leisure, turning it into a familiar, less intimidating object. Prioritize your pet's health with regular vet visits, even when they appear perfectly healthy. Mistake number 3, misinterpreting your cat's behavior. Ever wondered why your cat is acting out? Let's delve into the fascinating world of feline communication. Cats, like us, have their own language and ways of expressing themselves. However, they often get lost in translation, leading to misunderstandings and frustration. So let's decode some common cat behaviors that are often misinterpreted. First up, the mysterious belly display. When your cat rolls over and exposes its belly, it's not always an invitation for a belly rub. Contrary to popular belief, this is a sign of trust and submission, not an open invitation for a tickle fest. Responding with a belly rub can lead to a swift swipe of their paw, a clear sign that you've overstepped their boundaries. Next, the notorious love bite. If your cat gently nips you, they aren't trying to hurt you. This is their playful way of showing affection, or sometimes it might be their way of saying, "Hey, that's enough petting for now." What about a cat who's constantly knocking things over? Before you label them a mischievous menace, consider this. Cats use their paws to explore their environment. If your furry friend is knocking things off the table, they might be bored and looking for stimulation. Try introducing new toys or interactive play sessions to keep them entertained. And finally, we have the tail flick. A rapidly twitching tail doesn't mean your cat is excited or happy. Instead, it's a sign of agitation or annoyance. If you see this, it's probably best to give your cat some space. Remember, every cat is unique and may express themselves differently. It's essential to observe your cat's behavior and respond accordingly, respecting their boundaries and needs. This not only makes for a happier cat, but also fosters a deeper, more harmonious relationship between you two. Learning to speak your cat's language can significantly improve your bond. Mistake number 4, ignoring your cat's dental care. Did you know, just like us, cats can get dental diseases too? Yes, indeed, from tooth decay to gum disease, our feline friends are not immune to dental worries. Unfortunately, this is a mistake that many of us make. We might diligently feed our cats the best food, keep them well groomed, and ensure they are up to date with their vaccinations, but often dental care is overlooked, and yet it is just as crucial to their overall health. Just like in humans, poor dental health in cats can lead to painful infections, bad breath, and even life-threatening conditions. But unlike us, cats can't tell us when their teeth hurt. That's why it's so important to make dental care a regular part of your cat's routine. So, how can you care for your cat's teeth? Firstly, regular checkups with your vet are essential. They can spot early signs of dental disease that you might miss. Secondly, consider brushing your cat's teeth at home. Yes, it might sound challenging, but with patience and the right tools, it can be done. There are even special toothpastes designed just for cats. Lastly, a good diet can go a long way in maintaining your cat's dental health. Certain foods can help clean your cat's teeth as they chew, reducing the buildup of plaque and tartar. Don't overlook your cat's dental health. It's just as important as their physical health. Now that we've covered these common mistakes, let's recap. We started by talking about overfeeding, a mistake that's all too easy to make. We love our cats, and it's tempting to spoil them with extra treats and generous portions. But remember, obesity in cats can lead to a host of health problems, including diabetes and heart disease. It's crucial to feed your cat a balanced diet and to resist those pleading eyes when they're begging for an extra serving. Next, we touched on the importance of regular vet checkups. It's easy to neglect this if your cat seems healthy, but remember, cats are masters at hiding their discomfort. Regular vet visits are essential to catch any potential issues early. It's far better to prevent a health problem than to treat it. We also delved into the often misunderstood world of cat behavior. Misinterpreting your cat's signs can lead to unnecessary stress for both you and your furry friend. Remember, a wagging tail doesn't mean the same thing in cats as it does in dogs. It's essential to educate yourself about the nuances of cat behavior to better understand and respond to your pet's needs. Then we talked about dental care, an aspect of cat health that's often overlooked. Dental disease in cats can lead to a multitude of problems, including pain, tooth loss, and even damage to other organs. Regular brushing and dental checkups can go a long way in preventing these issues. The bottom line is taking care of a cat is a big responsibility, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your cat lives a healthy, happy life. Every cat is unique, and the best way to care for your feline friend is to understand their specific needs and behaviors. Remember, it's not just about avoiding the don'ts. It's also about embracing the do's. Do spend quality time with your cat. Do provide them with a stimulating environment. Do respect their boundaries. And above all, do love them unconditionally. Remember, our feline friends rely on us for their well-being. Let's ensure we provide them with the best care possible. Thank you for watching.